Okay. Ooh, and it's got this piping on the pants. Nice. Okay. Home reflections. This is a 2-pack. Whoa, a 2-pack. I just got kind of excited right there. All right, it is a 2-pack cotton sateen. I love me a little cotton sateen because this is 100% cotton, natural fiber. All right, so we've got it in twin XL, full, queen, king, cal king, and split king. What are the prices? One price. I kind of like that. I like it a lot. I also like that you're getting 2 packs and it's complimentary. So we're going to go through the choices. The first one that you are seeing is that soft pink floral. So pink floral. We have about 200 there in all sizes. So pink floral. And then we have down here is the gray medallion. I'll show you. Oh no, there's only 50 remain. Do you see that sheen on the softest gray? Oh, there is no full queen. What is that? No full king or cal king in the grade. It's getting very incredibly limited. And then next to that, we have, yes, there's the pink floral that it comes with. And then white. And then we have tan floral. Oh, there's only 30 remaining. We have twin XL, and split king. By the way, these prices are so good, free shipping and handling, by the way, as well, that we have all of them on the same price, but we're starting to get limited. So it's time to call if you like any of these, 800-500-7590. All right, Carrie, talk to me about these. I love that it's a 2-pack.
Yes, so this is actually, I brought it out. I always like to show it because this is actually how it comes. So if you are thinking about gifting, of course, you know, a lot of us have done the organization purging of the beginning of the year. So now is the time, if you've just kind of edited your linen closet, it's a really great time to pick up and get a nice, beautiful set of these. But if you're gifting them, if you have any wedding showers or even baby showers, I always say get the parents a little set of sheets, but really beautiful the way it comes. And I love that they're coordinating back to each other. So the white is going to be a solid set of 2 whites, which is really fun as well. But then everything else is going to have that solid color going back to that coordinating print. So really, really beautiful patterns, all exclusive to Home Reflections, QVC. And I love it because they're like sophisticated patterns. Sometimes we do really playful, fun patterns. This is still fun, of course, but it's a little bit more elevated and sophisticated in these patterns.
Carrie Lachlan, you follow the trends in interior decorating, and I saw something on hashtag cottage core. Kind of like Barbie core, cottage core. So talk to me about this pink floral. Like this is kind of giving me a little like, a little Nantucket horse farm, you know, like everything is cozy, a little like Americana vintagey, right? And then you got that solid as well.
And then you have those solids. So you can mix them in and out. You can keep them, you know, separate if you wanted to. You could even do the beautiful floral on your bed and then bring the pillowcases in from the solid if you wanted to kind of give it a designer look. But yes, a lot of these patterns that you'll see too, even the tan floral, like there is a touch of antiquing to it, which I think is why I love this set so much. But yes, cottage core, you're very up on your designer trends there, Miss Nancy.
I know.
I was just talking about it today.
Could you also talk to me? I'm going to go through choices really quick, and then I also wanted to hear about cotton sateen because I love that it's 100% cotton. But there is this gorgeous, do you see a little bit of that sateen finish that, like you said, Carrie, makes it incredibly elevated. So even though it's that 100% cotton, like breathable, natural fiber, which I love, by the way, it's just, I love cotton so much, but that satin sheen, like just a little bit, is gorgeous and elevated, and it almost kind of catches that light. Do you know what I mean?
It does. It has it when you have that sateen finish, you have that little bit of that reflection of the light. So it does. It just makes it feel a little bit more elevated, sophisticated, a little bit more fancy, if you would.
Fancy.
So it definitely. A little fancy Nancy there
Yes.
for you. So it really does bring out the beauty of these sheets. This is going to be 100% cotton. So you're thinking about all the breathability. The more you wash these, the
Yeah.
softer and more lived in they will
That's
be
what
as
I
well,
wanna
like your
hear.
favorite
Those are
t-shirt.
the best
So
sheets, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
I agree.
It's the best because honestly, this is where we get our respite. This is how we recharge and refresh. And it's a new year, new you. That's why we got that 2 hours of linens you love. Here is the color pink floral. So you're getting this beautiful pink floral with this solid, softest blush you've ever seen. So 2-pack, I love that. Because always one's in the wash, right? So you got to have a 2-pack.
Always. Absolutely.
And then we also have this gray medallion. It is the most popular, but very, very limited. There's only 40 remain. We have it in twin extra long, queen, and split king. Also, Carrie, look at how soft this lightest blush of gray, whisper like gray is. And I want to show you the difference. It's so stunning. And then let me grab this white here. You can never have enough white, but I want to show you, now you can see the difference of the white pack. So the white comes with 2 whites, but look at how beautiful, soft that gray medallion is. There's only 40 left on
It's
that.
a warm gray, which is
Yeah.
why I like that set. Sometimes grays can read a little bit more blue, but that one has a little bit of a warm rose undertone, so it definitely has a warmth to it.
Oh, it just feels so incredibly soft. Okay, here's the other colors, Carrie. This one is?
That's the tan floral, my favorite.
Tan floral. Again, we were just talking about that kind of cottage core, you know, feel of just a little countryside, a little simple life, right, Carrie?
Yes. It's what we all dream about.
I
Having our
know.
own
Either
business
that
and
or a
sheep
villa
running
in
around.
Tuscany, Italy. I don't know. Where are
I
you,
mean-
Fran? Where are you, Debbie? Where, how about you, Laquan? Like, where do you fall asleep, right? Put your head down and you're like, I dream of, it's either food or, but that's the thing.
Food always.
We're going to go to sleep. And that's what we're going to be sleeping on. $160 if purchased separately. Carrie, my husband and I talk about this. There's nothing better than getting washed sheets, fresh sheets to get into bed, because that's where you get your respite. That's probably where we spend, what is it, a third of our lives, right? This is what's touching your face. This is what's touching your body. And we got it in a 2-pack, which I haven't seen, especially in these prints that are exclusive to QVC. All right, clearance price on that, twin XL, full, queen, king, and Cal King and Split King, but getting very, very limited. Do we have that one, Fran? Okay, that one is sold out. All right, still to come.